In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your AI chat history in U.com. Your chat history is the quickest way to revisit helpful answers, confirm the exact wording of a prompt you tried, and keep track of your progress over time. I'll guide you through a simple, reliable process so you can find past conversations with confidence. Start by opening the U.com app on your device. When the app launches, you'll land on the main screen where you usually begin a new chat. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see the navigation bar. On the far right, look for the option labeled History. That's the doorway to everything you've discussed before. Tap History. You'll be taken to a dedicated page that organizes your previous conversations. Here, you'll typically see a chronological list with your most recent chats at the top. Each entry often includes a short preview of the conversation and a timestamp, which makes it easier to recognize the thread you're looking for at a glance. Take a moment to scan the list. Recent items appear first, so the last few things you worked on should be right up top. When you're ready to review a specific exchange, tap any past conversation in that list. The full thread will open and you can scroll through it to read both your prompts and the AI's responses exactly as they happened. This is especially helpful if you're retracing steps on a project, verifying details you noted earlier, or comparing how different phrasing led to different results. The layout is designed to keep everything in one place so you can move smoothly through the conversation without losing context. If you're trying to locate a particular point in time, focus on the previews and dates next to each entry. Skimming from the most recent downward is usually the fastest way to find something you worked on recently. And whenever you're done reviewing a conversation, the history option remains at the bottom right, so you can return to the full list and pick a different thread whenever you like. A quick note on what you see. Interface details can vary slightly with app updates, but the history option stays at the bottom right of the navigation bar. Also, the history shown reflects the app you're currently using, so your list may differ across devices or access points. That's all you need. Open the U.com app, tap History at the bottom right, and tap any past conversation to open it. With this approach, you can quickly revisit your AI interactions and stay organized as you work.